Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Keep and signing in with the Google account you want to use. Grant necessary permissions, storage for images and microphone for voice, so features work seamlessly. Once done, go to Keep Settings and choose your sync preference. Wi-Fi only to save data or mobile sync if you need immediate updates. This ensures your notes are backed up and accessible on other devices. Make sure you're using the latest app version. Updates fix bugs and add features you'll need. Now create your first note. Tap the plus button and pick text, checklist, photo, or voice. Choose the input that matches the task. You should label notes for projects or contexts and apply colors to visually group items. Pin high-priority notes to the top so they stay visible. Use the search bar to find labels or words quickly. Once you add reminders, time or place, Keep will surface that note at the right moment, which is why labeling plus reminders makes your system reliable. To finish, share any note by adding collaborators so edits sync instantly across accounts. This is ideal for shopping lists or team tasks. Archive notes instead of deleting to keep a clean view while preserving history. Deleted notes live in trash briefly in case you change your mind. If syncing or attachments fail, try toggling the Google account in Settings, clear the app cache, and confirm Google Services status. Those steps resolve most issues quickly. If problems persist, update or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.